to another Linux Gamecast, quick and dirty. How to. One of the biggest questions we get asked on our weekly Linux gaming video, podcast, netcast, live stream, all that fun business, is how do you guys run two Skypes on one Linux? Turns out, it's dead simple. Let's take a look. First, you're going to need Skype. Piece of cake. If you can't figure that out, this is probably beyond the scope of what you're attempting. Let's get started. Let's go to your home directory. It doesn't matter if you're using, I'm using Thunar with XFCE4. You might be using Dolphin or whatever GNOME is using. But you want to go to your view and show your hidden files. We're going to scroll down and you should find a Skype directory. Let's go into that, and we're going to try to stay off the terminal as much as possible to make this as simple as possible. Keep that in mind. Let's highlight everything and copy that. And we're going to make two more, a Skype 1 and a Skype 2. So let's create a folder and call it Skype 1 Skype 2. So now we have .Skype, .Skype 1, and .Skype 2. In .Skype 1, let's paste everything from our .Skype and do the same with Skype 2. That's almost it. I'm not kidding. That is genuinely almost it. So let's close this out. Now this next thing, it's not that difficult. You can create a launcher for it, for whatever desktop you're using. We're just going to do it from the terminal. I like to do it from the terminal. So let's just open a terminal here. And we're going to be running Skype dbpath Skype 1, which is what we just created. So let's launch that. And you should get your main Skype instance. Now we'll just go ahead and log into this. And that worked. Then I'm going to open another terminal. I'm going to launch it with our .Skype 2, which we created in our home directory. And we get a new Skype login screen. Now you will need two Skype accounts, one for each person. You can do this multiple times if you want multiple hosts on. Just got to keep track of what you can do CPU-wise. So let me log into this. And look at that. We have two separate Skype instances running. Now, something you might want to keep in mind is, how do you deal with return video? Not what we do, but a very simple way to go about this is, for each instance of Skype, activate your screen sharing and just share, open up Cheese or GUVC, something like that, show your webcam, and put it on you for each instance. It's going to chew up a lot of bandwidth, but it will work. Gets the job done. And like I said, easy enough to create a launcher, be it on KDE, GNOME, or XFCE. I'll leave that to you. Hope this was mildly informative. Cheers, guys.